I am the sole occupant of an odd house. It consists of 2 bedrooms, a bathroom, and a kitchen. The only entrance and exit is through the kitchen. The bathroom connects to both bedrooms and can be locked from either side. The kitchen spans the length of the other rooms. I used to share this house with a friend, but she moved out. I always locked the bathroom door from my side. When she was here, we often heard noises from my room as if someone was moving things around. But when we checked, everything was in place and no one was there. Now that she is gone, I hear similar noises from her room. I never go there or open the doors to it. In fact, it is locked too. Sometimes I hear 2 quick knocks on my bathroom door. They occur randomly, and especially when I mention them out loud to someone on the phone or in person. This never happened when the other room had someone living in it. I feel comfortable in my room, but the bathroom makes me nervous.